Hello guys, my name is Nikander, I'm a professional blockchain developer, and in this guide I will show you how to receive Ton coins in a smart contract on the Ton blockchain. Let's get started. Open VS Code, type npm create Ton latest. Project name receive coins. First contract name is the same, receive coins. Select an empty Tact contract. Move to the project directory and clear the console. Now we are ready to write our smart contract code. Open the contract file in the contracts folder. Declare a variable val of type int, which we specify as a 64-bit integer. In the init function, we initialize this variable to 0. Define the function to handle receiving empty messages, which are typically simple Ton coin transfers to the contract. We can log debug messages with the dump function. To enable it, we need to open the wrappers folder, find the file ending with compile.ts and add the following lines. Options debug true. So from now on, we'll be able to see debug messages while testing our smart contract. We can prevent the balance from exceeding a certain amount, in this case 3 Ton coins. If it does, the transaction will be reverted. MyBalance function returns the balance of the current smart contract. Create a receive function named increment. This function prints the amount of Ton coins sent with the message and increments our val variable by 1. Context.value retrieves the amount of Ton coins sent with the current message. Create another receive function named refunding increment. This function also prints the amount of Ton coins sent with the message and increments val variable by 1. Additionally, it returns all the unused excess Ton coins back to the sender with a message increment refund. Reply function is the simplest method for returning all the excess value of a message. Define a getter function to retrieve the contract balance. And finally, define another getter function to retrieve the value of our val variable. Our contract is ready, we can build it. npx blueprint build. Great, we don't have any errors. Let's test it. Open the test script in the tests folder. Create a test called should receive Ton coins empty message to verify that our smart contract can handle receiving Ton coins with an empty message. First, we get the initial balance of the receive coins contract and log it. Next, we send 3 Ton coins to the contract with null value instead of message. Check the transaction details to ensure the transaction was successful. Get the new balance of the receive coins contract and log it. Finally, add an additional check to ensure that the balance does not exceed 3 Ton coins. Now we can run the test npx blueprint test. As you can see, the dump function shows empty message received. Before sending the message, the balance is 0. After sending the message, the balance is slightly less than 1. The balance is not equal to 1 due to transaction fees, which are deducted for processing the transaction. Let's change the sending value to 4 and see what happens. Type npx blueprint test, and we got an error, because we prevent our contract from holding more than 3 Ton coins. Let's change the sending value to 3. As you can see, it works fine. Create a test named should handle increment message. Get the initial balance of the receive coins contract and log it. Send 0.5 Ton coins to the contract with the message increment. Check the transaction details to ensure the transaction was successful. Get the new balance of the receive coins contract and log it. Now we can run the test. npx blueprint test. We've got 500 million nanoton coins received with the message. The balance before increment is 0. The balance after increment is slightly less than 0.5 ton coins. Let's create the final test named should handle refunding increment message. Get the initial balance of the receive coins contract and log it. Send 0.5 ton coins to the contract with the message refunding increment. Check the transaction details to ensure the transaction was successful. Get the new balance of the receive coins contract and log it. Retrieve the value of val and check if it has incremented to 1. Finally, check that the refund transaction to the deployer was successful. Now we can run the final test, npx blueprint test. We've got debug information with the amount of ton coins received with the message. The balance before receiving the message is 0. The balance after receiving message is 0 too, because our smart contract sends back all the unused ton coins. Awesome! That's it for today, folks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. See you in the next video.